Welcome, team. Welcome to our today's course. In our today's course, we are looking at psychology. So it is a sum up of psychology. So look for the next course where I will deal with the full package of psychology. So in summary, psychology, these are emotions and feelings that we experience when we are trading, either through when we're making profit or we are losing. When you're making profit, what will come in is greedy. What will come in is overtrade. You want to trade more to make more profit. Okay, so these are what comes in. You also experience FOMO, fear of missing out. When you are losing, what will come in is fear. Also, what will come in is revenge. All these are all component of psychology. So today, I just want to focus on some of the things that you need just to master, which can help you to handle psychology, to work on psychology, to manage psychology. Okay, so what I want to focus on is if you want to manage how to manage your emotions. So emotions such as fear. Because most of the time is that a lot of us, when we lose a trade, we fear a lot. Most of us, we can't hold a trade for a good time. Okay? Why? Because of fear. So if you want to overcome psychology, or when you want to manage psychology, these are emotions such as fear. Okay? Number one, what you need to focus on is do not risk too much on any one trade. So let's say, for example, any trade that you open, whether you have a $50 or you have $100, in any trade that you open, don't risk too much. Maybe just open with 0.20 with one position on an account of $100. So meaning you have a room, you have free margin level, you have enough. Hence, you'll be trading with free mind. Or you can even reduce the lot size. You can open with 0.01, 0.05. If in case you are dealing with boom 1000 or boom 500, you can open those lot size with two position, so you are not risking too much. At least 2 to 5%. That is how much you can at least risk per trade. So when you are not risking too much, you'll be trading with free mind. You'll not be having fever because of fear. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, do not chase losses with revenge trades. Always remember that when you are trading as a forex trader, you encounter losses. Okay, it is a must that losses you encounter them. So when you lose, when you just see that this market is against you, you can't fight the market, you can't revenge the market. But if you continue trying to chase losses, you lose. You want to adapt so that you can recover in that. You end up losing more. As a result, what will come in is that you end up blowing off your account. So this is because of the fear of losing. So we need to understand that it is normal to lose in trading. So once you see that the market is against you, just close and wait for an humble opportunity. Make sure that when you lose at least 2 times, leave the chart alone, go and relax, so that once you come up with a fresh mind. But if you lose, you continue trading, it will affect your mental. Hence, you will not think properly. You want to revenge the market. As a result, you end up losing. So do not chase or do not revenge the market once you lose. Wait for another opportunity, then you can make profit with a free mind, and it will be easy for you to recover those losses. Okay? So let us also look at do not overtrade and make too many trades. Do not overtrade. So what will help you not to overtrade is have a daily target. How much is your daily target? Is it $10? Is it $20? Is it $30? Is it $50? Depending with your account size. Remember, have a target. Have a long-term target. Okay? So if you are if your aim is to make, let's say your aim is to make $300. So you can put that $300 maybe every month. So meaning that every day you have a target of making maybe from $5 to $10 per day. $5 to $10 per day. So when you have that, it will help you not to overtrade. It will help you not to overtrade because you are trading with a plan, you are trading with a goal, you are trading with an aim. Okay? So make sure that you do not overtrade. When you overtrade, you end up losing even what you made. You can make profit because of overtrading, you end up losing even the profit that you made. So it will help you to handle those emotions such as revenge. Because once you make good profit, then you lose. You want to recover it back. Hence, you end up losing more. One that is very important that you have a daily target, you have a plan, and it will help you to not overtrade and to make too many trades. Okay? Then let us now go to another point. Do not let the last trade stop you making your next trade. Okay? So, when you lose, it is not the end of the day, or it is not the end of, some of us will end up quitting. It is normal. So make sure that when you make profit, and when you make another profit, the moment you begin to feel excitement, you can just pause, you relax, you come up you come up maybe after an hour time if you have not yet achieved your daily target for that particular day. Okay? So let not the loss make you not to trade again. Okay? So always, let us move to another. Always cut your losses short at your stop loss point. So when you need to be setting your stop loss, because if you do not set your stop loss, you end up losing more than you did not plan. So a stop loss, it will help you to lose where you want it to have. It will help you to set how much you want to lose in a particular trade. Because if you not set your stop loss, you may end up losing, even blowing off an account. Okay? Always take profit at your take profit target. So once you set your take profit, once it hits take profit, sometimes if you do not set your take profit, this is the result of now wanting to trade more and more. Hence, you end up losing what you even invested. You end up losing. So always remember to set your take profit. Once you set your take profit, once you hit cross. So this is what we wanted to discuss today on the issue of psychology. Once you follow this, it will help you. It will help you to handle these emotions such as fear, such as greedy, such as FOMO, fear of losing out. Also, such as the issue of revenging the market. So also the cardinal point is that make sure that you fund, if you are such a person who has got a lot of fear, make sure that you have a reasonable account size. If possible, you can start with $500 and above. But if you want to start with $10, $20, $30, all these, you begin to feel those emotions because the account is too small. Okay? The account, it is too small. So let us work on the issue of an account. You must have big account if you want to enjoy trading. For example, the reason why you trade in demo, you sleep, you find it is in profit because the demo account is large. So if your new account, it was like that, even if the market goes against you, you lose, you have negative 10. You will not have any emotions because you have a big account. You know to say, I can hold and I can still make profit. I'll recover and make profit. But if you have, let's say you have a $20, immediately you have negative 10, automatically emotions and fear, it will start coming because your account is too small. So work on the account. Work on your account. So this is what I wanted us to look at today. One, do not risk too much on any one trade. Do not chase your losses with revenge. Do not overtrade and to make too many trades. Do not let the last trade stop you making your next trade, maybe because of fear. Always cut your losses. Short at your stop loss. Very important to put your stop loss. Always remember to take profit at your take profit target. This will help you to overcome greedy. So this is what I prepared for you in this course. Bye-bye. Go through and practice what we have learned. See you in the next course.